vlogs are working because it's already nighttime here. So welcome back to the new vlog. A lot has happened. My camera lens arrived. I attended an ordination of a friend. And then I received one parcel from Shopee again. For this camera that I'm using right now, a lot came in. There were so many freebies and I enjoyed since the freebies are really useful for the camera. So ayan silang lahat. Earlier today, I received one parcel from Shopee again. Summer is officially over, pero I can still use this. The colors are really great. They're just my favorites. And pwede din naman itong suotan. If not for summer getaways, pwede din siya sa mga casual events. So, pang-casual din siya na attire. I serve as an usherette.
Hi guys! We're the first ones in the reception area. So we're taking our pictures. Hi! Vlog. So guys, meet one of the MCs for this event. Yeah, pa-picture muna kami. And then the other MC, Madam ang aura.
One of my friends served as a coordinator for the band and she also sang together with the band, and two of our friends hosted the program at the reception area. Okay, so ayun na nga guys, we prepared really early at home. So Meike and Lisa came over here and we also had a breakfast here in our house. And then we proceeded to the church. The ceremony went on. We attended some parts of the ceremony in the church. And then at the middle of it, we decided to go to the reception hall.
So kakagaling lang namin ng church and we're going to the reception area dahil kami ang dakilang usherette. Ayan, look at our attire.
Here are the happenings during the program.
So every Christian ought to be grateful by offering our prayers and good works for priestly vocations.
And then during the Thanksgiving Mass after the reception, and of course at night during the Thanksgiving party. So we've been preparing for this for months now and finally it came. We were so glad that it went successfully.